This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. Things to know when applying for a credit card or a loan. There are a few things to know or expect before applying for a loan or a credit card to make sure you get the best possible outcome. First, avoid negative impact to your credit score by applying only to lenders that have a pre-approval or check your rate process. Lenders use such a process to evaluate your application without affecting your credit report. Next, once you get pre-approved, make sure you carefully review your offer before accepting. Pay particular attention to the interest rate. It's a rate that reflects the amount of interest charges that you will pay if you don't pay off your entire balance. For instance, if you owe on average $1,000 throughout the year and your rate is 12%, then you'll pay roughly $120 in interest charges every year, or about $10 every month. Next, review the fees and make sure they are acceptable to you. These fees can vary widely between banks, and if you find them too high, you should look for better offers from other lenders. The most common fees are origination or application fees for loans, and membership or annual fees for credit cards. If after reviewing your offer you decide to accept it, the lender will now go through a final approval process, which may involve pulling your credit report again and posting an inquiry on it, requesting you to sign agreements, and sometimes asking you to verify your identity, address, or income. If all goes well, you'll get a final approval and within days receive the money or the credit card. Ezefi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.ezefiapp.com.